Okay, so there is a function for getting the state of layers, and it really is just an indication of whether something's shown or not. So let's take a look at that. So layer, get state, and this will by default take a look at the active model, and this also works for drawings. So whether it's an active model or an active drawing, or you could specify something that's in session currently. The layer name could be also wildcarded, and then it's going to write to a specific target worksheet and cell. So this value that's going to be written is actually a comma separated list of strings, and we're just going to write this down to be 5. So as you can see here, we have left screws, right screws, and test. These are just some things I'm going to show off here. So if we said left screws, and we're just going to press the do it button here, and you'll notice that this will write out and say that that is currently shown. So it's kind of up to you to figure out like which layers you're kind of working with here. If we put in screws with a wildcard and press do it, you'll notice we get there are 2 matches for that layer name of star screws, and both of them are currently shown. If we take this one and say hide this layer and then rerun this, you'll notice that we should get shown in a hidden. It's going to be in the order of discovery within this structure here. So if we go hide this one also, and then I'm just going to call this out directly, speaker.ism. It's currently in session. It's just not active at the moment, and we're going to run that. And the results of that are going to show that based on the model that we specified that's in session, both of them are hidden. So this is just a very basic overview of how this works. It does require an active model or a specified model or a drawing to be able to use this function.